Welcome to Beast Mode Tactical. We're going to be talking about the disassembly and reassembly of the K98 Mauser. I've seen a lot of videos showing how to take this apart, but none of them really fully describe all the little techniques you can use to make life a little bit easier. So, anytime you do it, the flag should be up in the safety position, which makes life a little bit easier. Push this in, twist it around, and voila, comes right out. Now, if you want to take it all the way apart, most Mausers have a hole in the butt. I put one in my bench, press down, use a little bit of force, twist this 90 degrees, pull it up, and then this pulls right off. And there you go. If you want to take the flag out, turn it 90 degrees, pulls right out, fully disassembled. Now, put it back together, same way, just in reverse order. Put that in, put the spring on. I'm going to make sure that this lines up. And once again, you're going to have to put quite a bit of force on it. And then same thing, slide it in, screw it together, locks in place. But here's something that videos don't show you. Say you get it and the safety's not on. You can't get it, it's not going to go. So get you a vise. Hook this piece right here. Once again, you got to put a little bit of force in it. Hold on to your handle. Pull it back. Put your flag up in the safety position. And there you go. Now you're back ready to go. And that's the disassembly, reassembly of the mauser bolt. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.